our kitchen has a recipe for white rice, green beans with ground beef and saffron for amazing taste. Ingredients. Let's start with rice. One cup long grain white rice. 2 cups water. A pinch of saffron threads, about 1/4 teaspoon. 2 tablespoons warm water. 1 tablespoon butter or olive oil. Salt to taste. For the green beans and ground beef. 1/2 pound ground beef. 1 cup fresh green beans, trimmed and cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions. Prepare the saffron. In a small bowl, combine the saffron threads and warm water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. This will create saffron-infused water, which will add a beautiful color and flavor to the rice. Cook the rice. Rinse the rice in cold water until the water runs clear. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Stir in the rice, a pinch of salt, and the saffron-infused water. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and has absorbed all the liquid. Fluff the rice with a kitchen spoon, add the butter or olive oil, and gently mix. Cover the pot and set aside. Prepare the green beans and ground beef. In a large skillet or pan, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and sauté for another 30 seconds. Add the ground beef to the skillet and break it apart with a spatula. Cook until the beef is browned and cooked through, breaking it into smaller pieces as it cooks. Stir in the green beans and spices, cumin, coriander, paprika. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the green beans are tender and the beef is well seasoned. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Assemble the dish. Fluff the saffron-infused rice once more and place it on a serving platter or individual plates. Spoon the green bean and ground beef mixture over the rice. Garnish. If desired, garnish the dish with fresh chopped parsley for a burst of color and flavor. Serve. Serve your white rice with green beans and saffron ground beef hot and enjoy. This dish combines the earthy flavors of saffron-infused rice with the savory ground beef and the crispness of green beans, creating a delightful and well-balanced meal. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy dinner recipe? Look no further. Introducing a flavorful turkey breast and vegetable dish. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the turkey breast with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and sear the turkey breast until golden brown on all sides. Once seared, transfer the turkey breast to a baking dish. In the same skillet, add more olive oil and sauté onions, bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots until tender. Season the vegetables with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Spread the cooked vegetables evenly around the turkey breast in the baking dish. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the foil and continue baking for another 15 to 20 minutes until the turkey breast is cooked through. Remember to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the turkey breast rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve with a generous helping of the roasted vegetables. This flavorful and colorful dish is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It's a perfect meal for family dinners or when you have guests over. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy recipe for a special night? Look no further. Today, I'll be sharing a mouth-watering trout recipe that is sure to impress. Trout is not only incredibly tasty, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. High in omega-3 fatty acids, trout promotes heart health and helps reduce inflammation. Additionally, trout is an excellent source of protein and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and gather the following ingredients. You will need fresh trout fillets, lemon slices, garlic cloves, fresh dill, salt, and pepper. Begin by seasoning both sides of the trout fillets with salt and pepper to taste. Next, place a few lemon slices on top of each fillet, followed by a sprinkling of minced garlic and fresh dill. Once seasoned, carefully wrap each trout fillet in aluminum foil, ensuring they are securely sealed. The foil will help lock in the flavors and moisture, resulting in a beautifully tender and flavorful trout. Now, place the foil-wrapped trout fillets on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven. Cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the trout is opaque and easily flakes with a fork. While the trout is baking, take a moment to appreciate the tantalizing aroma filling your kitchen. Once cooked, carefully unwrap the foil to reveal the perfectly cooked trout fillets. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill and serve alongside your favorite side dishes. The tender and flaky trout, infused with the zesty flavors of lemon and dill, is simply irresistible. As you savor each bite, remember that you are also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a special gathering, this trout recipe is a winner. So, why not treat yourself and your loved ones to a memorable meal that is not only delicious but also nutritious? Try this mouth-watering trout recipe tonight and enjoy the incredible health benefits it has to offer. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Today we have a simple and imperative recipe with turkey meat, broccoli with delicacies, mushrooms, and cream. For the body and health. In a large skillet, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add diced turkey meat and sauté until browned and cooked through. Toss in fresh broccoli florets, sliced mushrooms, and a pinch of salt. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Pour in a cup of heavy cream and gently simmer until it thickens slightly. Season with black pepper and a dash of nutmeg for a touch of delicacy. Serve this nourishing turkey, broccoli, mushroom, and cream dish for a delightful meal that's both delicious and packed with nutrients for your body and health. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips.
Mutton is the meat of an adult sheep, as opposed to lamb, which comes from a younger sheep. Mutton typically has a stronger, gamier flavor and tougher texture than lamb. It is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world, particularly in Middle Eastern, Indian, and British cuisine.